Here he comes back again. He's having a moment, so now he's coming this way. Dude, we know you have the ability to at least pulse a little bit better than that. You're on camera and you have to be consistent. My eyes aren't too good. Eyewitness testimony can never be trusted. For instance, this might not even be a Cessna, and that might not be a moron operating it. Thank you. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Do one for me. Alright. Sucks, dude. Bet you had a lot of fun torturing me, though. Sucks, dude, that people are out here auditing you, corrupt weirdo psychopath bastards. Totally sucks that you have to pulse around all day. Good, don't leave. That's what I want. Stay here, buddy. So if that was a civilian, why would it respond to me? Look, he was turning to come straight back at me, and I said that. And now he's like, oh. He's not even pulsing. He can't do chew gum and walk at the same time. You can do it, man. Alright, so that proves that he's not a civilian. That's why I was talking crap.